Harrison Jones.
Quinn Riley.
I can't stay.
What are you drinking?
I only came because Lori said she couldn't cancel and she didn't have your number. I didn't want you just sitting here because getting stood up at this particular bar is like falling flat faced on a runway. And even though I don't know you, Lori has this annoying habit of meddling, so it only seemed decent
What
to...
are you drinking?
I can't stay is what I'm saying. I don't do blind dates.
My parents went on a blind date. Been inseparable ever since.
That's good for your parents and for you because you exist, but I...
It's not a blind date.
What?
This is a job interview. What are you drinking?
Dirty martini. What do you mean this is a job interview?
This is a job interview.
You're a baby lawyer. You're like 12 years old.
I'm 28 years old.
So why aren't we in an office at a law firm?
That's not how we conduct job interviews.
I didn't apply for a job with you.
You did.
I didn't.
You did.
Okay.
Ask me who I work for.
What?
You really want to ask me who I work for?
Who do you work for?
Olivia Pope.